Hey, what a matter? You guys want a cookie? Who wants a cookie? Who wants it? Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. Today, you guys, it is so hot. I don't even know what to do with my hair. Like, I was like, do I just like swirl it? That's kind of cute. I don't know. We'll figure something out. I kind of like my hair just like this too. I mean, it's a little bit like messy beach chic, but I like it. Today we are going to be testing out and using a bunch of new products out there. I feel like since the beginning of July, there have been products that are like boom, 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 boom. But it's really exciting because, hey, it's my job. And second of all, I'm a makeup lover. So I really am excited about all these new launches. And I'm also really excited to say that today's video is going to be sponsored by Kaja Beauty. I really like their products. So when I got offered this, I was so excited. We're going to be using a bunch of new products from them today and throughout this video. However, they are not really dictating or telling me products that I can or can't use. So really the only sponsored portion of this video is the Kaja products. I'm just prepping my skin. You guys, I'm also dealing with a allergic reaction right now and I'm not really sure what it's from. You probably are gonna hear me say that in like 5 or 6 videos because I'm doing a bunch of pre-filming, but all in like this region right here, like the jawline. It's very irritated, I think from a face mask I used. They also have this new stamp product that I'm really excited about. I have it right here. I've never even opened it. I've never even looked at it. Listen, if it really helps a girl do her liner quicker, I'm all for it. So let's get started. Right now, I'm actually going to be brushing my brow hairs with a little bit of the Bravo Conditioning Primer from Benefit, and this is like what honestly helped save my brow hairs. I just kind of rub it through the areas that are a bit more sparse and need a little bit of TLC. And I also want to prep my skin. I'm gonna be going in with the Tarte Quench Primer. I'm really dry these days, especially since California has been like having this humongous heat wave. And my skin is like extra dry and not used to like living in these deserty conditions. So I have been using all the hydrating products I can get. So for brows, I'm actually going to be going in with a different product from what I normally use. Oh, Junie. Hi, baby. I have the dogs filming with me again. Whenever Riley isn't home, I usually take them into the beauty room with me and they get to hang out and go to work with mommy, right? So we're going to be going in with the new Hourglass brow products. I know that they came out with a bunch of new brow products, and this is in the shade Soft Brunette, and it's the Arch Fiber Gel Volumizing Fiber Gel. So I'm gonna be going in, and actually I kind of want to brush out my brow hairs first because that Benefit brow product, even though it works amazing, it does make your brows crunchy. So you kind of got to brush them a few times before you apply product. And then now what I want to do is kind of just focus on the areas the most that are sparse. So for me, that's always like the arch of the brow. Oh, this is pigmented. Dang. This is almost as pigmented as the Anastasia. You guys know I lost my Anastasia one. Oh my god, wait, there it is! I didn't lose it. It's been on my desk this whole time. How stupid are you, Nicole? It's been on your desk. But yeah, I feel like the Hourglass brow product is pretty good, and I do like the color that I chose, like this Soft Brunette. It's a bit more cool tone, which is actually what my brows naturally are. They're a bit more on the cool tone, kind of like ashy a bit. So I'm just gonna be layering this, and honestly, that's probably it because I might define a little bit more, but honestly, this is really what I've been doing with my brows, is just kind of like filling them in and brushing them upwards like this. Like I've just been using full coverage brow gel lately, and I really love it. It makes such a difference. Yeah, dang, I might not even, I'm just gonna leave it. Oh, I'm hungry. My stomach is grumbling. All right, so actually I did go in with a little bit of pomade and kind of defined underneath a little bit more and around the edges of the arch. But yeah, this is like my very minimal brow. I always feel like I ask you guys, like, do you want a brow update? And then I do a brow update and then like nobody watches it, and that's totally cool. Like it's not everybody's cup of tea, but genuinely, if you guys want an updated feathery brow routine and are gonna watch it, let a girl know. So I want to move on to eyes, and I actually have the new Kaja eyeshadows right here, and their eyeshadows are so like pigmented, and I really do like their brand. Like they are a K-beauty type brand, and I love that. They have so many cute things, and I love that about their brand. Like it makes them original, makes them stand out. They were so like chill doing this video. They didn't even give me like any guidelines to say, which like they're awesome. I cannot say enough how much I like Kaja as a brand and for their products. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes. Let's use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and shade Medium 24. And I've been using this as a little bit of a primer. I really do like using their concealer as a primer because it is a little bit sticky, which helps with the eyeshadow pigments and just everything in general. You kind of always want a little bit of a sticky base, and I'm just going to be blending this all over. And you can actually use whatever's left to kind of go up and define your brows a little bit more. And then I'm gonna zoom you guys on in too so you can get a better view of everything. Okay, so right here we have the new Kaja eyeshadows, and they are really cute, like kind of stackable. Like you can have them all out like this, and it's really, 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 really cute. It's really easy and compact to travel with. I love the packaging. I love this like nude ombre vibes. It matches the colors that of course are inside here. And what I'm gonna do is go in with the bottom shade. Also, this whole thing is called Chocolate Dahlia, if you're interested. We're gonna be doing a neutral kind of like hot girl summer look, if you will. So I'm gonna be going in with the shade right here, which is called Brown Sugar, and I'm going to be using that in the crease. And I'm using a brush that's kind of like this, like a stiffer brush. And I'm gonna be going right along here and then kind of cutting it right there, if that makes sense. And we're gonna blend that out, and it's gonna look like a bajillion times better, but that is what we are kind of going for here. These shadows blend really nicely also, like they're very easy to use. And right now I'm putting it on harshly, like I want it to be a harsh line, and we're gonna blend it out after. You guys, I'm trying to convince my sister to get matching sister tattoos, and she is like not about it because she doesn't like needles. And I'm just like, come on. And the shape, I'm kind of bringing it like how I would connect it if I was connecting it to my contour. This is that little tip and trick that I was talking to you guys back a few tutorials ago, and this is like one of my favorite looks, is kind of like altering your eye shape. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in and blend what I have. There's no additional product on the brush just yet. It's just kind of blending out what we have going on here. And then the next shade I'm gonna be going in with is kind of like a taupe, and this one is called Cool Khaki. And I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe M441 brush. And I also just wanted to let you guys know, like, there's really not that much fallout on this product at all, but I definitely do recommend dusting off your brush. And then what we're gonna do here is just kind of use this in the brow bone and kind of use it to diffuse any harsh lines we got going on. I don't know what happened, but I had the worst stomachache ever of my life last night. We almost went to the hospital. Like, I was in so much pain, but thank God I'm okay now. I have no idea what it was, but it was atrocious. So I already put concealer on one side. I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye, but I figured you didn't need to see me do both eyes. My left eye is actually my better eye anyway, so I always kind of like to show that eye. So I'm taking the Colourpop concealer, putting it on the back of my hand, and just going in and kind of defining where I want this to be. And I'm just kind of following the pattern that we made, like this, and just kind of like filling in the areas. Okie dokie. So I'm gonna wipe off this concealer so I don't get it everywhere. And now we're gonna apply the shimmer shade. And this shimmer shade right here is called Crushed Pearl. And I'm actually gonna apply it with my fingers. Ooh, she's shimmery. I've actually been applying shimmers with my finger a bit more now that I have my acrylic nails off. And I'm really liking the way it's coming out and like working for me. Who would have thought? Who would have thought the day I don't have acrylic nails? Ooh, yes, hot girl summer. I'm sick in the head, okay? And then doing the same thing to this eye. You know what? I kind of want to add a little bit of pink in this look, and I have one of Kaja's blushes here. This is Atmosphere. It's kind of like putty-esque. I don't know if you guys can see, like I can push my fingers in it, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of this to the outer corner. And you know what? I actually have a little bit of their liquid blush right here, and I kind of want to add a little bit to the outer corners. This is the shade Koi, and I'm just gonna dunk my brush in here and kind of paint this in the outer corner. Get a little creative. And then what I'm gonna do now is kind of wipe off any excess and kind of get this looking really sharp. Getting ready for our winged liner. I almost said winged liner. So here we got two Kaja products. We have the left and right little wing. This is the Wink Stamp from Kaja. And we also have the Kaja Wing Stamped Wing Eyeliner Pen. So let's go ahead and test this out. This is what it looks like. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see it has a little bit of an arrow. Basically, what you're gonna wanna do is like press down firmly, and it says that the bottom part of this should kind of connect with the lower lash. So, there we go, that's a little baby wing, and now I'll connect it with the wing stamp. That's so cute. That would definitely be really good for beginners. Oh wow, this is easy to use here, you guys. It's very pigmented. It kind of just glides over the shadow, which I like. Okay, let's do the left side, and again, that is what the stamp looks like. There we go. First try, hunty. And then again, using the liner. And this product will actually be available August 13th. They come as a pair, and it'll be available in stores on the 15th of August. And it is $25. So I'm going to be connecting everything now. Just like so. And for mascara, actually the newest mascara I have is the Big Ego from Tarte. So I'm going to be popping that on. Also, I don't know why my camera is really kind of flushing out the color. Not really sure why. Maybe I'll play with the lighting afterwards so you guys can really see what this beach looks like. But it's a lot more like peach in real life. That was actually pretty easy to use. I was a little bit nervous. Good job, Kaja. And both products are definitely pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on some lashes off camera. I'm gonna pop on some Lilly Lashes, and I will be right back for the face. Okay, so lashes are on, eyes are done. I love this kind of like little starbursty. And I actually want to apply another primer. This is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Hydrating. I've never tried a Laura Mercier primer, so we will see how this, ooh, it's like a cream texture. We will see how this applies. It smells really nice. And then for new foundation, I'm just going to be applying the Pat McGrath one. That video freaking flopped anyway, so let's bring it back. This is shade Medium 15, and I'm actually gonna apply just like all over. This is a very hydrating foundation, so you don't need to like worry about blending out really fast. So that's why I kind of apply it all over. Got so much foundation in my hair. What? And then I'm actually gonna use her foundation brush. Let me clean it a little bit, because yesterday I was effing around with it. Not in like a weird way, okay? I filmed another video that was kind of like bad makeup, and I used this. Okay, I'm not even gonna say anything. I'm just gonna shut up. This is a great match for me. Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a mesh. Okay. So for concealer today, I'm going to be going in with Fenty Beauty. This is in shade 260. I really love this concealer, and I'm just going to apply it like so. Okay, and now I'm going to start blending this out. This is the Fenty Beauty Blender thingy-majiggy, and I really love it. I've only started using it recently, but I fell in love very quickly with it. So for setting powder, since I never really tested out the Pat McGrath setting powder, I'm going to be using this puppy today. I'm just blending out any creasing that may have formed. So far, I'm really liking all the products we've been using. Ooh, this feels really nice, like velvety. And now I'm going to be going in with the Milani Baked Bronzer. This is in shade Dulce. Gotta wipe off the powder on my face. Okay, so let's go in and start to bronze. This also has a little bit of like illuminators in it, so we will see how this works. I never really use a bronzer with like a lot of illuminator like shimmers in it, and this does have some very minuscule shimmer, so we'll see how this works. Get the chin. And this is my first time using a Milani bronzer in a really long time. And this, I believe, is part of their summer collection. And then we gotta work on our blush and highlight. We got a lot of Kaja products. I'm just adding a little powder to bake with on the sides here. I've been doing this lately because I have really bad dry patches that cling to product, and this kind of helps clean it up a little bit. My skin is not used to this like desert non-humidity situation. I'm hoping that my love will keep you up tonight. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna be going in with the Kaja's Cheek Stamp. This is in the shade Koi, and it's very buildable. This is the little cheek stamp. You do like little heartsy wartsies. It's also really easy to blend out. I actually have used this product before, so I'm just gonna heart it up and then go right in with a beauty blender and blend it out. Isn't that so cute, you guys? Like, you could even do a second layer if you want, depending on how much blush you want, but it's very buildable, which I like. And then doing the same thing over here. And it's so cute, like it's got a little spring-loaded situation where you have the little cheek stamp and you also open up the bottom, and that's where the blush is. And I kind of like it to be a little bit dewy like this, so I'm not gonna mess around with it. And then what I'm gonna do is take the Kaja Moon Crystal. This is a sparkling eye pigment, but I'm actually gonna use it as a little bit of a cream highlight. So I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. I'm shearing it out, and I'm gonna go in with my brush that I use to apply highlight and kind of get a little layer down first. Kind of get a little layer going. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to mention is actually that Kaja has new blush products coming out again. The 13th of August online and the 15th of August in stores in Sephora. And then now I'm gonna take this Mochi Glow from Kaja. It actually kind of looks like Mochi, which I think is so cute. And this is called Toy Alien, and I'm gonna apply some highlighter. She's glowing. She's glowing. And then now I'm just gonna take my large powder brush and kind of blend everything like so. Do the same thing over here. Again, sorry for the texture from my allergic reaction. And to finish this look off, I'm going to be going in with the Kaja Lippy. This is what it looks like. And this shade right here is called Heart Melter. And it's really cute because you open it up and it's actually a heart. And you use the bottom to kind of push it up. It's a really creamy lip formula too. Okay, this is the finished look, you guys. I'm gonna zoom you on out and show you. I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. It was really nice to just sit here and do my makeup with you guys and try some new products out. Okay, so I really like this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Again, thank you so much to Kaja Beauty for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys go and check them out. Follow them on Instagram. And also go and check out their products in Sephora, at Sephora, wherever you want to go. But I hope you guys like this video. I really love the way that this look kind of came out. I think it's really cute and like fun and effortless. Also, you know I always live for my little pops of pink. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye!